Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I did this watercolor effect look that was inspired by one of my boyfriend's pictures, in particular this one that was taken in Neisner. If you guys want to follow him, you can. His handle is pic_flicks. The colors are mainly what inspired me for this look. Yeah, I really like his colors that he uses in his photographs that he chooses to bring out, which is blue and orange, complementary colors. Yeah, so here I am going in with my Rimmel London. It is a shade too light, maybe 2 shades too light for me, but I was thinking blank canvas, watercolors, and now I am going in with some Wet n Wild concealer underneath my eyes, and then I went in with a MAC Studio Fix powder just to set my under eyes, and now I am applying Essence eyelid primer. And then I just went in with a base of concealer. It is the, I think, anti-age or something. Anyway, from Maybelline, I believe. Yeah, and now I am just setting my face with my Absolute translucent powder, and then I'm going in with some Bliss sticks for my lips just to soften them up. I am using my Zara Cosmetics Gypsy Queen palette for this look. For the eyes, I do use other palettes for the rest of my face, but this one I used for my eyes, and I'm just going in with a orange color that kind of represents the orange in the clouds in his photograph. So I am just kind of placing that strategically as if it's going to melt into the blues, and then I'm using the yellow in the palette just to blend out the edges to make it look a bit more watercolory, you know. And I'm just kind of really, I don't know, what can you call it, stippling on the color. And I'm using a lighter blue here, also in the same palette, and I'm just kind of trying to represent the clouds without them actually looking like clouds, but like kind of fading it into the orange like it is on the picture. And then I'm just darkening the edges up with the darker blue. There are 2 blues in the palette, a lighter one and a darker one, and those are the 2 that I use. And also there are 2 different purples that I'm using here that's in the palette. So when I got to this point, I saw that it kind of looks like a butterfly, so I just ran with that idea. And now I'm back with both my eyes done. I just put a little bit of a shimmery blue underneath my eyes and worked some purple in there as well. Now I'm using my Zara Cosmetics color illustrator, color artist. It's grease paints basically, and for that I used the gold in my eyebrows and then the white on my eyelashes. And now I am using my On the Rocks palette from BYS Cosmetics, and now I'm using the berries palette from BYS Cosmetics, and I'm just trying to create like a orangey kind of blush vibe. And that's a little palette thing that I got from a China store, and it's got a very light pink in there. I don't really know if that made any difference, but in any case, there I'm just putting on some it's like a black shimmery eyeshadow that is in the Zara Cosmetics Gypsy Queen palette. And here I'm just showing you guys that I tried to do the watercolor effect on my lips with the grease paints from Zara Cosmetics, but I didn't like it, so I just used the red in the grease paint palette. And now I'm using a MAC product just to highlight. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I'm rambling, I rambled a lot. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.